This is the new CAT electric pressure washer. It puts out 1800 psi with an impressive 2 gallons per minute flow rate at an even more impressive price of $200. Most pressure washers in this price range only give you 1.2 gallons per minute, so I'm kind of skeptical of this unit. I bought this unit from the seller Active Job Site on Amazon, and they have a very similar looking VE52 unit at $170. If you buy that one, you will most likely be getting the same thing. However, there's not much information about Active Job Site on the internet, so I'd buy from a big company like CAT because they're more likely to honor their products. Now let's unbox this thing. Looks like we got another box. Whoops. All right. Here it is. So here's the pressure washer. Weighs about 10 pounds maybe. Pretty light. Got a strap on top. There's cables, super long. It is this long. Extension hose, the actual hose for the pressure washer. Pressure washer wand, looks like it's all plastic, pretty light. Most are plastic. A reel for the side, for the hose, and the foam gun. This is what I want to take a look at, because that's what I'm buying it for. Lastly, we got a bag for the different nozzles, owner's manual, a twist tie that is not attached to anything, and tip holder. Guessing this holds the nozzle in. We'll put it together and see. Alright, I got the hose connected, everything's set up. I already gave it a test. You can hear just how quiet it is. With the white tip on, it's definitely safe for paint. Good for cleaning wheels and stuff. Anyways, let's attach the foam cannon, see how that works. So this part was really hard to get off. You have to hold this and turn it to this way. But after a lot of force, it came undone. Now we can put this thing on. So I got it on. I'm a little bit disappointed that it's not a quick disconnect. You can't put it on this end right here. So I might end up just ordering one from Amazon that has that. But let's try it out. A little hard to hold with one hand, but here we go. Wow. So that might be a little bit too much foam. I don't know if there's a way to turn it down, but we'll figure it out. So it doesn't look like there's a way to adjust the angle of the soap or how much comes out, and not having a quick disconnect is a little bit inconvenient, so Looks like I'm gonna be picking up one of those foam guns from Amazon. But overall, it does the job pretty good. And here she is. The wash only took maybe 10 minutes. The best part about this thing is that it shuts off when you let go of the trigger, so you never have to run over and hit the power button every time. But the worst part is you have to disconnect the end extension here every time you want to put that thing on. But if you buy a quick disconnect off Amazon, it's basically perfect. They're like 20-25 bucks. Now we can go look at how the red nozzle works. So it definitely cleans concrete. I'd be here all day with that red nozzle on, so I'd put the yellow one on. We'll see if it does just as good of a job. Looks like it's just as good, maybe even a little bit better. Now that it's dry, you can see what it did a little bit better. That's the one I cleaned. That's the one I didn't clean. One thing to note, this isn't that dirty. I drew an X right there. You can see it like right there, and you can barely notice it. That's the only part I did there. If you're a detailer and maybe you want to clean the deck every once in a while, then I can't recommend this thing enough, especially if you pick up an upgraded foam gun from Amazon. I'll leave the links to those in the description for the ones that I bought. Thanks for watching. I'm going to try to post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so please like and subscribe. It helps a lot.